Hello my friends, today I am bringing you an organizational video. I will be working on organizing my deep freezer. I don't know if you guys have deep freezers, but you know that they can be such a pain in the butt to organize, and I kind of did some research and tried to figure out the best way. I did a video I think a few years back on my other channel where I organized it, but that just wasn't working. So it's gotten all out of hand again, and I'm going to try and use this stuff. I had picked up these buckets from their laundry baskets, but they're the flexible ones. I'll show you in a minute, from Rama, and I wanted to use them, and I'm hoping that because they're flexible and they're more of a softer plastic, they're not gonna get all stiff and break if they get frozen. So I picked up 3 of them for 3 different meats because I also have the 2 other slots already in the freezer. So I'm going to show you what the freezer looks like before. I'm not going to be thawing it out, even though I probably should, but I just want to get it organized and then kind of see what I have in there, because sometimes I don't know what I have in there because it's such a mess. And then maybe hopefully go through all of it, empty it out as much as I can, and then thaw it out once we are down to bare minimum. I do have another freezer. It's a stand-up one, which I will be organizing next, but that one, before I do anything, has to get emptied and defrosted because the shelves are not working. This one is, I'm not sure if this one was supposed to be a self-defrosting or whatever, the frost-free one, but it does have frost on it. So anyway, so I'm going to get started with this one, and let me show you what it looks like and things I'm going to be using. So these are the bins that I'm talking about. To separate it, so they're holes so the air can flow through, and then they are very flexible, and I'm not putting meat, like empty meat, kind of directly on it, so I didn't have to worry about it being food safe because they're in its own, the meat is in its own bags or containers. So, but just so that way I have one for chicken, one for pork, and one for beef. That's the goal. And I'm going to show you now what the freezer looks like. So as you can see, it's a mess. So I'm going to take everything out and then try and fit these baskets in, see how that works, and then go from there. And as I'm going to take them out, I'm going to group them based on the type of meat they are. So if you're following along, you know I've had issues with my fridge. So last time I had to empty the freezer because we were unplugging the fridge. My husband put everything in a bag, and I have no idea what's in here. So I'm going to go through that as well.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
This is questionable. I think it's a piece of lasagna. Boy, I'm gonna go get some gloves to do this. Whew. So, I don't think I need this many freezer packs. And I did make a donation bin with these sandwich containers that these go in. So I think I'm going to put these in there as well. Because I don't need that many. The kids don't take lunch to school anymore. And if they do, there is enough. I was wondering where my lid for my SodaStream bottle went. Let's see how these fit. So 2 of them fit perfectly, and then I was thinking one could go on top, and this should work as well. So I'm going to put my pork in there. And then I'm going to do chicken over here. Well, it's going to be poultry because I usually don't have too much as far as turkey goes, but I did pick up this whole turkey the other day because they were on sale. And then I have some ground meat. And then there's room for chicken, which is in my other freezer. I'm going to bring it and put it in here. Okay. So I've got some chicken thighs. Chicken breast. I'm going to take one of these out because I'm going to use it for tomorrow. And so that's chicken. So we're okay for chicken for now. But it turns out I don't think I have any beef. I'm just worried this is not going to... Oh, it is letting me show. So that's for beef. And then I figured fish, which we don't have too much, but I will put it here. And then over here, I'm thinking I was gonna do prepared meat over there, but I'm thinking I might put sausages in here. Just going to switch these over. My daughter's taking these camping. freeze some water bottles, and then I saw that I had all of these from last time. So I'm just gonna switch them here since I don't have any seafood. But if worse comes to worse and these become an issue, I think I can always cut these handles off. There is definitely more sausages in the other freezer because we do make our own sausages, so we will check that out so I can put it all together. Starting to think that that freezer needs more organization than this one. I'm going to take this one out until I need it. That way it's not cluttering, but like I said, seafood, pork, chicken, and then beef will go across. And then I have a lot of cured meat, so like right here, that will have to go into the other freezer, and Frank is just waiting for things to things that he can have. So I hope you have enjoyed this quick little organization. I think it's just so important for me to know what I have, so I'm not buying things for no reason. And this way I know I need beef, so I can just see when beef is on sale and just buy all the beef that I need, whether that's beef to cut up for steaks, beef for grounding because we do ground up our meat, or just roasts for different slow cooker roasts or whatever other roasts that we might need. So if you enjoyed this type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see how I organize my stand-up freezer, I would love to share that. I need to work on that soon. Like I said, I have to probably empty it and defrost it because the shelves are so frosted up that I can't even put anything on them anymore. So that definitely needs attention very soon. So let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see that video as well. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you consider subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family to get in tons of organization and decor inspiration. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.